Next word, removed. Removed. Repeat it, children. Next word, forever. Forever. Repeat it, children. Next word, alone. Alone. Repeat it, children. And the next word, after. After. Repeat it, children. Next word, worked. Worked. Repeat it, children. And the next word, hard. Hard. Repeat it, children. Next word, books. Books. Repeat it, children. Next word, anything. Anything. Repeat it, children. The next word, without. Without. Repeat it, children. Next word, many. Many. Repeat it, children. And the next word, under. Under. Repeat it, children. And the next word, should. Should. Repeat it, children. And the next word, once. Once. Repeat it, children. Next word, found. Found. Repeat it, children. And the next word, got. Got. Repeat it, children. Next one, become. Become. Repeat it, children. Next one, father. Father. Repeat it, children. And then next one, called. Called. Repeat it, children. Next word, longest. Longest. Repeat it, children. So have you all learned, recall the new whole word, children? Okay. Now take your rough note and write the spellings of these whole words, children. Write 2 times. Take few minutes to write it, children. Let's go for the next concept. Okay, if you have finished your writing, close your note and listen to the next concept, children. Children, what we have learned in this unit about whom? Yes, about so many world great leaders. In that, today we are going to learn about another leader, that is Lee Kuan Yew. Okay, who is he? Let's see who is he. See the slide, children. Lee Kuan Yew was born in 1923 as the eldest child of Lee Chin Koon. He studied in the top schools in Singapore and went to the London School of Economics briefly for his university education before moving to Cambridge, where he obtained his law degree. So when he was born in 1932, so he was the eldest, the first child of Lee Chin Koon. So he studied in the top schools in Singapore, that is a well developed school, and he went to London School of Education to develop his knowledge in law. To know about economics, in Cambridge University, he finished his law degree. Then he returned to Singapore, where he became a legal advisor to student and trade unions. So, after finishing all his study, he again returned back to Singapore and he became a legal advisor. A very good advisor with the government permission. That is legal. Doing everything with rules and regulation. So he became a legal advisor to students and the trading unions. Lee co-founded the People's Action Party with the aim of ending British rule and attaining self-governance for Singapore. So after some days, he founded People's Action Party. So he found a group of people called People's Action Party. The aim of the party is to stop British rule and to attain the self-governance சுய கவர்மெண்ட்டை உருவாக்கிக்கிறது self-governance for Singapore. So they thought to relieve the Singapore from British rule and they itself want to rule their country. On June 1959, Lee became the first Prime Minister of Singapore. So in 1959, on June 5, he became the first Prime Minister of Singapore after getting relief from British rule. After stepping down as Prime Minister in 1990, Lee served as Senior Minister and then Minister Mentor in the government. So after stepping down from the Prime Minister in 1993, so he get retired on 1990. He became a Senior Minister and Mentor advisor for ministers, advising the country's new generation of leaders on national issues. So he advises the future generation, youngsters, to learn how they want to be in their city. He passed away on March 23rd, 2015 from pneumonia. So sad news is that because of pneumonia attack, he was died on March 23rd, 2015. So now answer to these questions, children. When was Lee Kuan Yew born? In 1923. What did he study? He studied economics and law. Which party did Lee co-founded and what was its aim? Yeah, he co-founded People Actions Party. The aim is to get relief from British rule and attain self-governance of Singapore. So let's check our answer, children. Lee Kuan Yew was born in the year 1923. Yes. Then he studied law. Okay. Then he co-founded the People's Action Party with the aim of ending British rule and attaining self-governance for Singapore. Children, now all of you take your SR and open SR 17, 18 and 19, children. Have you all opened? So children, now all of you go through the story founder of Singapore about Lee Kuan Yew. So go through page number SR 17, SR 18 and SR 19 about the story of Lee Kuan Yew. If you have finished your reading, children, write the main idea of the story. Write the main idea of the story in your rough note, children. Okay, children, close your rough note and open worksheet number 20 to fill out the connectors. We have learnt about sequence connector, event connector. That's it, children. So for that everything you want to do an exercise. For that all of you open worksheet number 20 and look at question number 2 and 3. Take few minutes time to read out the question. If you have read out the question, start write the answer, children. Let's check our answers later. Start write. Let's check your answers, children. Is there any changes? Change it now itself. Children, that's all in your grammar part. Let's move for writing and speaking expression. In that also today you are going to practice cursive writing. All of you take your note and copy all these cursive writing words, children, and you want to write one column of the word. Have you all copied, children? Okay. If you have copied, start write the letters, children. You have to write in the same way. You should not change anything on your own. Children, if you have finished your cursive writing, take your rough note and write a story on this topic, children. My favorite teacher. Okay, you want to write on your own about your favorite teacher. In that you want to include some whole words and the cursive writing words what you have practiced. Your handwriting should be neat and the content of your writing have to be very clear. Each and every sentence must be coordinated. Use cursive writing to write it, children. Take your time to write about it. Okay, children, start to write about my favorite teacher. Let's see you on tomorrow.